I call Amazon.com the Amazon gorilla, and for really good reason. I mean, Amazon is huge. If you don't have this 800-pound gorilla sitting in your corner, you gotta get him in your corner. You gotta unleash this, and he's a very smart gorilla to boot. I mean, we don't have to teach him any new tricks. It already knows everything about HTML. It knows about RSS feeds, article marketing, blogs, bulletin boards, JavaScript. He knows all the ABC languages, PHP, Ajax, C++, you name it. This gorilla knows it. He knows all the alphabet languages. So not only is Amazon in the paperback department big, but the Kindle is where the future is. Here's a article I found online, and they're forecasting the Kindle sales to represent 10% of Amazon sales in 5 years. Now, this article is from August of 2009. So here we are in 2010, early mid 2010, and it is unbelievable the amount of Kindle, how much Kindle sales have grown. Right now, it's only at they're estimating between 1 and 3% of Amazon sales are Kindle related, and that figure is just going to grow to huge numbers in the next few years. Right now, they're saying there's almost 2 million Kindle owners who own the Kindle unit itself. That's not counting. That's not the ebooks and stuff, and that it's going to be 3 million by the end of this year. So the opportunity for marketing to this group is growing huge, and it's time for you guys to get into it. Uh, and also a thing that really opened my eyes was in January. This is an article from the Wall Street Journal, January 20th, 2010, that up until this time, the royalty for Kindle books has been at 35%. Starting in July of 2010, the royalty will double. It's going to be 70%, and my eyes popped out of my head when I heard that. I mean, there are a few requirements that have to be met. The price of the product has to be between $2.99 and $9.99. The list price must be at least 20% below the lowest physical price. Title must be available in all geographies. That's no problem. And text to speech type things and stuff like that. So this is really exciting news, and it really makes me want to expand my Kindle products. Now there's well, actually, first of all, I wanted to say that also later on in one of the videos, we're going to talk about getting your print book, your paperback book, into Amazon.com also. And I'm not talking about CreateSpace, but I'm talking about another resource that I'm going to go into detail later on. That there also, my royalty averages between 60 and 70%. Now, CreateSpace pays a lot less than that, but we're going to go into that later. Uh, right now, we're going to start, in the next video, we're going to start getting into your book into Kindle digital text platform.